It's Wednesday morning, and we're going to talk about the Kwik repair fitting. Exactly the section of pipe that is in the middle of this fitting so that he can fit the fitting in the middle. With 11,000 views, a lot of people asked about the glue joint. Because sometimes I like doing things for science, here's what that fitting looks like on the inside after it's been installed. You can see that I placed this on a lateral line. This is a 2-inch fitting. And I immediately cut it right out and cut it down the middle to show you guys how this fitting works. You can see how the inner part right here actually goes outward towards the end here, and the coupling part of this fitting goes inward. So when the coupling gets slid out, the two meet. And you can see that there's a pretty good bond right there, or there's a damn good bond. And because I've been staring at this and want to try it for science, let's see what happens. I'm squeezing the crap out of this. And it is separating. You guys on TikTok get to see the results. It didn't really separate much more. Obviously, you're not going to be squeezing this pipe when the fitting is in one piece. That was just for fun. But it did separate a tiny bit right there. The rest of it stayed together. All right, on to the next one.